Okay, all good. Now we're putting a 40-minute thing just to see, because I think we will go more than 40 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is my... So where is the font? The original one.
Here is the form in what sense?
So I can...
Do you want to drag your style.css from here to this side so that you can have both on the side? Yeah. No, towards the right end, you bring towards the right end. Yeah. And now the middle thing you can move it a little more. No, more this side,
right.
yeah. Because that CSS won't become more than that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Where's the font?
instead of now what did you do? Now what do you want to do? Save the styles. It will reset there. Okay. Yeah. Now what do you want to do?
I want to see the font.
I want to see this.
Make it on this side so I can work on it. Okay. Now I want to put everything on the middle.
You want the whole thing on the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you want to go about it?
So I put body.
Okay.
It's margin or padding?
Margin.
I think margin, yeah. Margin. Okay. I put no. Top and bottom I put only 20 pixels.
Okay.
The side I will put right and left I will put 50 pixels.
50 pixel will be very small, no, for the body? Try and see.
Okay. 100 pixel.
Okay. Now make the page bigger. Is this what you were looking for?
No. Why do I have all this long paragraph? I need a short paragraph.
Okay. Better?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But what do you want? Is this what you were looking for?
No, this is too big. Too small.
Okay. So you were looking for?
200.
You wanted a maximum width, right?
Maximum width.
Do you want something like this? Are you looking for something like this that it will be this wide?
Yeah.
It should be maximum that much, right? And after it becomes smaller, then whatever it can resize. But this should be fixed, right? This much should be fixed. That is what you're looking for, right?
That's true.
So in that, you basically set this one's maximum width.
Body.
First.
Okay, what do you call that? Body?
Yeah, body. In your case, so there are two ways of doing it. One, I was waiting for you to finish this and then ask you how you wanted to do it. Now, body is applicable to the whole body.
Yeah.
Okay. But obviously, this body, don't you think it makes sense that all of this goes inside another div or something like that, or a section, or...
So we should put another one, yeah?
I think so.
Okay. After body,
yeah,
I put section.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. I have
1 minute, sir. I think you just gave me. I'll be back.
no problem.
Let me do stuff, Max. I'll come in 5 minutes.
No problem.
Okay. Now what? Now you want to have a look?
Why survey farm is not going to the middle? Because it's out of.
Okay. So one question.
Yeah.
Just understand what is the implication of what you wrote.
Yeah.
See this? Max width 500.
Yeah.
So when you say max width, it says 500 pixels of the parent.
Yeah.
Correct? And margin, when you say 100 pixels, it will give 100 pixels. Kya?
Paper roach.
Uh, 100 pixels will be on the sides of both the survey.
Yeah.
Of both the sections. Okay?
Yeah.
So now essentially what you have written is, clear this. You have, oh, actually we could have had that thing. Okay, you have one section, two sections,
Yeah.
three sections,
Yeah.
which are your questions.
Yeah.
So each one of these guys has, can we draw a shape? Yeah, we can draw a shape. We have this box. So there is some spacing here. Oh, I can't. Imagine there is spacing here, here and here.
Yeah.
So this is the spacing for all of these guys here. Similarly, there's one more spacing for all of these guys here. Okay. For this section 1, 2 and 3. Got it?
Yeah.
These are the three sections. Now, your body is, what have you written?
Section.
Just click on the code. Now this thing is in a section here. Body has a section.
Yeah.
So now your body section has now become your paragraph here.
No,
Dude,
pen.
this, which one is it?
Pen.
This is it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have your paragraph here and you have your text here.
Yeah.
And now all of this is now a section inside a section.
Yeah.
And now these guys have their own space here. That is how you have got your spacing.
Okay.
This is 300 pixels box here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I need to go.
Now, how you fix it is, instead of using section,
Yeah.
you give this section. No.
I think this one will work.
Okay.
Didn't work.
So give your body section an ID. Or give it a class, container.
Okay.
The section below body,
Yeah.
line 11.
Line 11.
Give it a class, container. Okay, and now rename that to container. Class container, right? Make sense? Now what have you given your sections classes? Each of your questions has a class, right? Now what do you want to do next? You want to have a look at the form? This form?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I want to put these three: name, email, number. Okay.
Uh-huh.
In a block.
A block.
Yeah.
Do you want a border, or do you want in a block in the sense that they should display one after the other?
Yeah, display one after the other.
Okay. So how do you want to target them? By label?
I can add something here on HTML to put break.
You want label, comma, input, etc., and display as inline block?
Right. See, on HTML I can add something. Where they are?
Name is at line
This one.
18. From 18 to whatever, 21, whatnot.
So
yeah.
Section, class, question mark, okay, label name.
And then input.
Here I want to put a break.
Okay. Fine.
See, does it help?
That helps, but it just pushes it to the next line.
Yeah.
Don't you want it to display one after the other, correct?
Yeah.
So instead of it displaying in line, you want to display it as a block.
As a block.
Correct?
Yeah.
So what are the tags that you want to display as a block?
Display. Tag.
Yeah.
I think is section, this one.
No.
Yeah.
Label and input.
But I have 3 different label names.
Just try putting label, comma, input in your CSS.
Label, comma, input,
display block.
Yeah.
What does display block do then?
One horizontally. They make them vertically.
Yeah. Isn't that what you want?
Yeah. Okay. Block. Exactly. That's what I want.
Okay.
See?
So now what has happened here?
So this one is become...
Look at your cats and dogs and cocoa and Pepsi and whatnot.
Oh, okay. All of
you don't
this.
want those to happen, right?
Yeah. So we need to change the input.
So
we need to target only email number and...
Yeah. So what you can do is that has a section.
Yeah.
So first, for all sections, remove your label and input CSS.
Okay.
Now, what do you want to do? We will go step by step. We will start with the bigger things.
Okay. Name, email, age.
No, I'll give you a track. You have your sections, right?
Yeah.
Make your sections display as blocks. I'll tell you how we will break it down. We'll make your sections display as block. Okay?
Yeah.
Second and third. This one has name and box. Then something and box. And something and box.
Yeah.
Over here, we wanted to apply display block. Okay. But in this part, we don't want it to apply.
Yeah.
We want this to be regular.
Yeah.
Which is... So first thing what we will do is we want this to display one after the other.
Yeah.
This section. Okay. And all these 3 sections have what in common?
The class.
Yeah. So now target this class name.
Question set, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. They were anyway going to be displaying in block. But you want to give yourself a border and margin and whatever, like to make it look like field set, right? You like that view, or do you not?
Field set is good.
It's good, right? So give yourself a margin, give yourself spacing on top and bottom with margin, maybe border, maybe shadow, maybe background color. Now let us put 20 pixels on all sides.
Yeah.
But you want only a top and bottom, right?
outside. Only top and bottom, yeah.
Now give yourself a border.
Should I put
1 pixel, solid, black.
Is it raining?
Yeah. Okay. Now you want space on the inside.
Space in the inside.
You want padding. You are given margin outside.
Yeah.
Now you have border. You want padding.
Padding I put 10 pixel on the top and bottom, and 10 pixel right.
Better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now your survey form is becoming 500, but it is not centering itself.
Yeah.
Make this full width. Make this as wider. It is still to the left only. See. No, the Chrome window. Make it bigger. Your form is still on the left. You want it to center, right?
Yeah.
So the margin what you have given, it has given it on the left and right, but it is not. It is fixed on the left. You see this? You see this?
Yeah.
100?
Yeah.
So what it has done is, in the form it has given 100 here and 100 on the right.
Sure.
As you make it bigger, this left side always stays 100. It doesn't change. So to make it centered, you have to change that to
auto.
Now try your form. Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we finish with this section.
Just one addition what you can do is, you can do in question set.
Question set.
Yeah. Just give border radius.
Yeah.
25 pixels. Okay. Maybe 5 pixels. $25 became too much. Okay, fine. Now, what do you want to do next?
We don't have the same thing. Okay, so now I want to see the name on the top of that text field.
Okay. Name on top. So, one thing what you could do is, you could add a break or whatever it is, but the better way for you to do it is, give this first question set. Can you give me control?
Not working.
Not working? Okay, fine, no problem. I just need a way to mark on your screen to show you what to click on or whatever. Anyway, no problem. It's all good. Just open this one, dude. Line 17, right?
Yeah.
That is the first question set.
Yeah.
Okay. And in that first question set, give yourself a ID. Let us say a personal information.
Okay.
Small p and dash.
Okay.
Okay. Now in your rule set,
yeah.
In your CSS,
yeah,
you can put a new rule for personal information section. Hash personal information. space label.
Space.
Label for the label tag inside personal information.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and make this as display block. So what is the label? The label is the question, right?
Yeah.
We want the question to come above, not to come inline.
Yeah.
Looks good?
It works.
Okay. Now what do you want to do?
Okay. I want to extend this space till the end.
Okay. How do you want to do it? What do you think is the way to do it?
I never tried this one before.
Okay, what is the tag? What is the thing you want to make it wide?
Maybe text.
You want to make the input wide, right?
The input, yeah. Where is it? Yeah.
Those are the ones that you want to make, right?
Yeah. This is the first input for the name.
Yeah. So why don't you take that same personal information rule.
Personal
Line 12 CSS.
Yeah.
Make a duplicate of that and make a rule below. And instead of label, make it input. In the personal information, the input tags,
Yeah.
what do you want to do to them?
Extend.
Width,
Ah, okay. Wait.
100%, right?
100%.
Yeah. Nothing happened?
Ah, true, bro. I need some space from here and from here.
Right.
It's
So this
touching.
is that thing with that.
Should I put 890?
Okay. What does it look like?
Yeah. 95?
99.
99? Yeah.
All good?
It's okay. Now the background.
So what I'll give you a suggestion. You put 99% here, right?
Yeah.
Remember in our practice what we were doing, we didn't want to struggle around with percentages. If you're going to use percentage, remember that 75%, 25% we added and then it was breaking. And then we had to do something else and then we tried adding rem or whatnot.
Sure.
So here, instead of us doing
90%.
we did 99% as width for this, right?
Yeah.
So for question set in padding,
No.
10% top and bottom, okay. The other 10% should be 0.5%. So you have 0.5, 0.5, 1%, and this is 99%, right?
Like this?
Yeah. Proper?
Yeah.
Fine. Next. What do you want to do next? So you have, yeah.
Okay, finish it. I need this one.
What do you want? What is that?
The second one.
You want the drop down to be wide?
Yeah.
What property is it?
What? Is it? It's still in the same.
Yeah, it's still in the same
Okay.
option information thing.
Yeah. No, bro. This we need to put as in a different section.
Okay. It starts at line 24. Yeah.
Section. Nice. Where is the other section?
You don't need to close another section below Syed because the previous one is already closed, right? You need to close one above. close one at line 23. Close the section.
Yeah, is that one.
Do Control Shift P and just do that format thing, dude.
Control Shift P.
Yeah. What is the Shift Alt and F is the thing. Okay.
Shift Alt F.
Yeah.
Shift Alt.
Save. All good?
Yeah.
So that section, see in our HTML what has happened?
Yeah. This goes outside. So we need to put again question set. Sorry. Right?
Yeah.
We need to give it class name. Class. My typing is like shit, bro. Class question. Question set. Yeah. So this question 1,
Right.
2, 3, and 4. We have 4 questions, personal information. Okay. So here, okay. Yeah, I want to select it to look like this.
Okay.
So select current role. Select, yeah. And I want here in placeholder options, option 1, option 2. Does it have placeholder or no?
No.
No.
You can set one of the options as default though. Or selected. Remember selected keyword?
Yeah.
But anyway, by default you have black selected, right?
No, if you cannot select it. We can leave it blank and we can use 2. Yeah, black and white. Okay. So here I have black and white.
Duplicate option line.
I want to be this one under the question, and it should be wide, like this one under. So
it should be empty, right?
Yeah, it should be empty.
So why are you going to the CSS?
Black and white.
Those are the 2 options. Yeah. You need an empty option, right?
An empty option. I will do an empty option. No problem.
Just duplicate the line below, no? The one which has favorite color and black. Duplicate that and this one. And duplicate it above.
How to duplicate? Alt, up.
Shift Alt. Yeah.
Okay.
And remove black and remove value. Value equal to black you remove. And yeah. And just value be empty and let the option also be empty.
Okay, awesome.
Okay. Yeah. Now you want it full width like that.
Yeah. So first I need see okay, but not personal. What is the name of this one? Option
color, favorite color section.
Where is that section? Which number?
Line 25.
Should I give it a name?
Yeah, sure. But instead of giving it, okay, fine. No, you should give it ID. ID.
ID, yeah.
Name is only for input label fields.
ID. Favorite.
Just FAV you can do, no? FAV dash.
Still the same. Ah, I need to close. Yeah, still
yeah,
the same.
So what did it do? You give favorite color space star. So display block is allowed applied to the favorite color section. You want this property to be applied to its children, right?
Yeah.
Space label.
Please leave it true.
Okay.
And I want this to be wide, so width
99%.
9%. It's the same and changed because it's not text.
Not label, bro.
What?
Option. One minute.
No, you can.
Okay. Can you give me? Is there any? You used to have that box here, no?
I don't know where it's gone. See? This
That's
is my
the Teams.
sharing.
Yeah.
This is my sharing, right?
Teams.
Oh, this because it's not the app. That's maybe only in the app. This is
Oh, this is in the browser. Okay.
the
Open
browser.
your browser.
This one. No, I got. Now I can use it.
Yeah. Open your browser, please.
This is the browser.
No. You click this hide. Yeah. Open the tab. The Teams tab. Yeah. Is there any option here? Yeah. In these options, can you click this here? These three dots. Okay. Nope. On these three dots here. Okay. So, okay, fine. Is there any way for me to annotate? Device options, full dial, hold, transfer, apply, turn on. This.
The only thing.
Okay, fine. With my finger, I can show you. No, where
If you can use this one, you can Team Viewer. If you want to control, but that will be.
Yeah, I installed TeamViewer today actually.
Today.
No, I installed AnyDesk. Okay, do one thing. Just search for AnyDesk.
No, it's not good in desk. Team Viewer is better.
Okay, fine. Then I'll install TeamViewer then.
Okay, let me. I want to learn.
Yeah, well, we'll finish this though, obviously. Yeah.
See you.
Yeah. Now I just want to know which option. What happened? You close that?
Close what?
Your Teams?
Oh.
Oh wait. No, 1 minute. No problem. Yeah, actually you need to run your Teams. But no, we can do the this one now, Syed. TeamViewer quickly.
Do you have Team Viewer?
It will take like 1 minute to download, bro. Accept or you start yours.
I install it, so I need to install it again.
Yeah, it will take 1 minute.
You remember when I told you I installed uninstalled Team Viewer?
Yeah.
Team Microsoft. I
Yeah.
didn't install Team Microsoft. I installed Team Viewer.
Got it.
Have you put it on mute or no?
No.
Put it on mute.
Same for cats and just for cats, that's it. Okay. Now same for Coke, Pepsi and Fanta.
Okay. After label, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's do this.
All good?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Next.
Text is alright. Can you? Okay. I need text to be full width.
Okay. So go to HTML. Instead of doing width 100%, we have a setting, right? We have columns, right?
Yeah.
Just remove columns and see what happens for text area. Remove the property itself. How much is it now? Yeah, remove the property itself.
Column, yeah?
Yeah.
Same.
Okay. Just go to this one, CSS, give text area label and width 100% and see what happens.
With 100%?
See if it works.
Yeah, it works.
99% actually. Okay. Next, what do you want to do?
Okay. Submit button should be big one.
It's a button, right?
Yeah.
So CSS.
Same thing. Yeah. Yeah, we can click. Awesome. So the color of submit background color should be green. Yes. Text color.
No, no text color, just color.
Oh, okay. Just color. Should be white. Submit, yeah. I feel this one is a bit big.
Okay.
The height.
What property?
Is it the height?
It's the height.
Yeah.
Try height.
Sorry. Alright.
You give 30 pixels.
Yeah. Okay. So we finish with submit. Let's go again to the first. Yes. Okay. Now, what I want this picture.
Okay.
Let me download picture, yeah, first, so we can use.
No, you just search for pixels, PEXELS. New tab.
New tab. Yeah.
PEXELS. Yeah. Search for some photo. What type photo do you want?
This piece of God. Should I download or
no? Open image in new tab. No, right click, open image in new tab. Yeah, and now copy this URL. Yeah. Now that image goes for which part of the thing?
Background.
Yeah, of what?
The full
Body.
body.
So go to the first line.
CSS, yeah?
Yeah. It should come above container. Body should come above container, right?
Body. Background. Image, yeah?
Okay. I think double quotes. There is a syntax, I think, Syed. URL. Yeah. And now inside that in double quotes.
Sure.
Okay.
Why it's like this?
It is putting that image and putting it right after, one after the other.
Should you look another image?
Yeah, I think a little more rectangle image is better. Click the menu. You want the image to be little light.
Yeah.
Not fighting for your attention, right? You want it to be little subtle.
See? I don't know. Image light, yeah?
Yeah. In search, you put for sky. Or you want to some leaves. Okay, sunny.
This one?
Okay.
Or
Better to use little wider size.
this one?
Yeah, okay. Now this 1 minute size, 1 minute. Here you click this free download.
Where?
This here.
Okay.
This angle bracket, angle.
Yeah.
No, escape. Press escape.
Sorry, this.
Okay, yeah, click that. Now click, yeah, in this. No, click this image. Click the photo. Yeah, now right click. Open image in new tab. Yeah, and copy this URL.
Yeah. Much better.
Okay. But it's a little difficult to read the text, no? You feel?
It is, yeah.
So what do you want to do?
I don't know.
You want to give it like this box?
That's what's happening. Yeah. This box now, and the last, I think is the last. This one.
Yeah. So in our CSS, where do you want to give the box?
That is gonna be in
Container?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So what should I put? Background color. Background color.
RGBA.
RGBA.
Give some value.
For the red. 255 to 200.
Okay.
200.
Okay.
100.
Okay.
A, for what A?
Alpha is transparency. Give it 0.8, 0.7.
Yeah.
Bit too close, no?
Exactly. We need the padding.
See, now over here you can hover over that RGBA. Just get your mouse over RGBA. You can change the color just by hovering over it. Any other shade, and transparency also you can increase and decrease. Save.
No, we cannot read the black.
Yeah, better for it to be a little lighter shade. More lighter side. Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Okay.
So we need this space. We need 10 or maybe 20 to extend. So we go to the container. We stay in container, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what we do? What's padding, Padding. Padding 20. So, yeah.
Okay. No, you don't need to save this side. Copy this text. Copy the HTML.
Which one?
Yeah, copy everything. Control A, Control C. Go to freeCodeCamp.
Yeah.
freeCodeCamp.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Paste your HTML there. And copy your CSS. And paste your CSS there. Now add like a space or something and remove, because it should actually render here, no? Okay, go to instructions. 1 minute, we have instructions here, right? So what is their instruction? Do this. Link style sheet href equals styles.css. Yeah. Link. You have link, right? Line 8. Link rel equals style sheet. And file should be styles.css.
What is styles? Yeah. Sure. Bro, you're the best, man.
All good? Now try submitting and let us see how your performance is.
From where to submit?
Go to instructions. Scroll down. There'll be a button, no? Submit. Run the tests.
Where?
Scroll up. Yep. Run the tests. See, some things have failed.
Your email should require inputs. Your name should require inputs.
So now you pick this and go through every error and fix it. That is your homework.
Yeah, I'm happy with this, but no.
Looks good, no?
It's
Good
very
work,
good,
man.
Wallahi, thank you so much.
All good, man.
If I understand only this concept, how to make it like this.
Yeah. And the simplest way for you to fix all of this stuff is when you think of, hey, now let us say you look at yours, your name and email are too close.
Yeah.
And let us say, how is this like this? Control Shift C. Control Shift C.
See.
And then I only click on this element. Wait, we'll bring this here. Control Shift C. Click on this element. You see what is there below this? Now just looking at this, this is purple and this is red below, right?
Yeah.
What is red below? Red below is margin. This value also comes up here. Margin 008 pixels.
From bottom, yeah.
Okay. And that's what you can see the property there. But you click here and you come here What I'm interested in knowing is there any margin or is there any line height? See, font size 1.125 rem.
Font size, yeah.
Margin bottom 0.5 rem. 0.5 rem is 8 pixels.
8 pixels.
Okay. Align item center display. They're using display flex and stuff like that. Okay, we'll look at it later. They're using font Poppins, comma sans serif. Font weight 400. Line height. If I turn off line height, you look at how all of these will change. Name, email and age. All of them have got a little lesser line height in your body. Okay. Label, align, font size if you reduce, this is the normal default.
Yeah.
If you remove the margin, this is how yours is right now.
Yeah.
There's no margin.
Sure.
Okay. Font size little increase. Okay. Then what else is there? You wanted to look at this. What have they done to this option? Same. This is also label. All of them labels have the same styles. Right. And what have they done here? Minimum height 120 pixels. They gave themselves, see, we gave width 100%, right? And we have given line, rows we have given. I think we gave 3 rows or something, 3 or 5 rows. These guys have given minimum height.
Height.
Instead of giving rows. And their CSS does not have, see, text area does not have rows. ID, class, name, placeholder.
So there is no rows, there is no code.
Yeah. Okay, width 100%, resize. Okay, this is all good. Then what else can you learn from here? This is submit. What did you do? You gave width 100%?
100%, yeah, sure.
Padding?
Same, we gave...
You didn't give any padding.
No, we gave padding.
Button? I don't think so. You gave height.
For button? No, yeah, we gave height.
Yeah. So you gave height, right? So what this guy has done is he's instead given padding here. See, if I remove padding, what happens to the button? He's given padding on all sides. I'll change this color so that it is gray like that. And now you see the padding highlighted. Right, so that is how he has managed space on all sides.
On all sides.
Now he gave himself, because padding comes inside the margin and border.
Yeah.
Right, so that is essentially how this button looks by giving padding inside. Okay, then color border radius has given himself, which you might not note. We gave like 5 pixels, right? It is a very subtle thing, but if we make this, let us say 12 pixels.
Yeah.
You see that bracket, right?
Curve, yeah.
Yeah. So that is what border radius does. Cursor pointer. Hand. That is a property. If I turn off cursor pointer,
stay the same thing.
Right, cursor pointer. So use this, any element that you want to find out, do Ctrl+Shift+C, find out what your this one is, and put it. So let's see, you're doing cursor pointer there, is it?
And
No. Cursor is called pointer. The name is called pointer.
What other names do you have?
Pointer and I think arrow and wait, let us see.
Cursor, yeah.
CSS, cursor.
Cursor, type. CSS.
See? Alias, all scroll. See this?
Alias, yeah. Okay.
This all scroll. Auto, cell, context, column resize, this thing. Copy, crosshair. Default, resize, something. Hand, the hand. Grab, grabbing. Help, question mark. Move, resize, something.
Also yours is change.
Yeah, so each one of them is one type, right? No drop.
Yeah.
None. No mouse. It disappears. So basically, every time a YouTube video starts and the mouse disappears, what happens?
So none.
Pointer becomes none. That's it.
Sure, bro.
Okay. Pointer. Then where is arrow? Arrow is I think default. See, this is progress. Row resize. I never checked so much of this stuff, dude. URL. I've never seen this before. This is weight. Zoom in, zoom out. So your normal is auto. No. Cell, context. What is default? Default.
It's
Default is arrow. right? So default is arrow and that one is pointer. So all of these are just a CSS property, one CSS property, that's it.
Who created this W3 school? Or?
It's some website which has been there since a very long time, bro. Very, very long time. Where is about? See, 1999.
No way.
Yeah, but I actually don't know who the people are. Who is the team? I don't know who the team.
They have all languages?
Yeah. Everything.
No way.
Yeah. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything introductory stuff they have.
The streaming you stopped, yeah?
No.
How many minutes did you check time?
I think our timer got over, bro. Either it got over or I forgot to start something.
No, you started 40 minutes.
So I think as soon as it touched 12 o'clock in the night, it stopped, I think.
Okay.
Whatever. We can stop it now.
Yeah.